You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. On the ARB's chart, that is ARBUSDT, you see the market drop right down. I'm going to talk about this in a moment, and also on ODI, look at it according to prediction. Market drop up to this point of support. BTC and every other pair is moving according to analysis, and I will also talk about TRX because we took this position in the premium signal group yesterday. I'm going to talk extensively on this, so definitely stick around till the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also, check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. On the ARB USDT, I told you that we took a position in the premium signal group around this area, this very candle. So for a short opportunity for market to come back down, and the exact same thing, we are already out of this position because this was the target and market is already at our target point. So from here downward, and our stop loss was just above this very level of resistance, and market come back to the downside as predicted. And if you look at this very movement, I told you that the market moved all the way from this very area upward, and that we need a good retracement for market to come back to the downside. And exact same thing, market retrace. Okay, so this full length is a retracement. Anyway, we have a impulse, retracement, impulse. Okay, so this is a full retracement of this long impulse to the upside. So this is very, very important. You must have to know how to properly analyze a chart, and so that you be the right direction of the market. So what I am expecting right now on this chart is for the market to move upward. So from here, we are out of the position already. So from this point where the market is right now, and this very area of 1.80, from this zone, market should move to the upside. Okay, but that movement is not a buy position, it's not a long opportunity. Market is going to come back down. I am still expecting the market to come back to the downside. So after this movement, okay, just like we see right here, market is still going to come back to the downside. That is what you must have to pay attention to. So right now we are out of this position. We will wait for the market to move a little bit upward, then at the end of retracement. And you must have to know how to figure out retracement or end of retracement on your chart. So at the end of retracement, we'll take a short opportunity again for the market to come back to the downside, because the flow and the strength of the market right now is pointing downward. So the bears are in control of the market, and we need to trade in that direction. So for ARB USDT, wait for retracement, and then it will present a short opportunity for us to short the market to the downside. That is what you must have to pay attention to right now. On ORDI USDT, this is very important. In my last video, I told you about a breakout, and this very level present to us a triangular pattern, and then immediately after this breakout, you see the market come back to the downside. And this breakout on this very candle, market moved to the downside right here. Right now, there's a possibility of a retest, and that is what I am paying attention to. I told you that this very area of support should be your target. So from this very area where the market is, expect the market to move upward for a retest. That is my expectation, to be very clear. And then market is going to come back down again on all the USDT. So you wait for the market to come back upward a little bit, and then a short opportunity would be nice to take from this very area after retracement. So market will move upward, not for a buy, but for you to wait, then you short from here to the downside. This is what you must have to do, and watch right now on the chart and play this along with your strategy. So on ODI, wait for a possible retest on this breakout, and then look for short opportunity. So on the overall is for you to look for shorting on all the USDT. On the BTC 1-day chart, very, very important in critical in the market right now, because BTC controls the market. We all know that. And right here, you see this very area, like I've been talking about on this very channel, is very, very important. And that is where the market is right now. So I am expecting the market to be here. In my last video, I told you that market should come back into this very level of support. And this level of $40,000 is very, very important. So what I am now watching is a breakout. So I'm watching for a breakout right at this very point. So once you see a breakout, market is going to come back down into this level of $37,000 and $36,000. And this very point, if we see a breakout, will be a nice point for the market to begin to move to the upside from. So you have to pay attention to this very level of support. So if a breakout happen here, which is what I am watching right now, expect the market to drop into this very level of $37,000 and $36,000, and then from here we'll see the market begin to move upward. This is what I am expecting right now. That means if we did not see a breakout here, the market is going to stay here for a little while and then begin to move to the upside from this very area. This is very, very important on the Bitcoin 1-day chart right now. So pay attention to this, guys. Don't forget. And on the 4-hour chart, from here, market come back down. I tell you to look for short opportunity because the market have high capacity of coming back to the downside than upward trend, than bullish movement. And that is what we see right here. See, market move all the way from here downward. So right now, there is a high tendency for the market to retrace. And that retracement is going to happen at this very point where the market is right here. And this very level of 40.4k. So from this very area to where the market is right now, expect the market to retrace. So retracement into this level of resistance right here, it will also present to us another short opportunity for market to come back to the downside. So all you need to do right now on the 4-hour chart Bitcoin is to look for shorting, not buying the market or longing the market to the upside. And if you are a counter trend trader and you want to take advantage of this little move to the upside, that is fine, but you have to be very, very pragmatic with your strategy. So what I am paying attention to right now on the immediate short time on this very chart is for the market to move from here upward for a retracement, and then from here will be a nice place to look for short opportunity from to the downside. So anyway, in your strategy, look for short opportunity on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. And on the ETH chart, I told you that market is going to move downward. Even though we see the market move a little bit upward, market is still going to come back down. And market is down to this very point. On ETH right now, pay attention to shorting the market. Don't buy the market. I am not expecting the market to buy to the upside. Any movement to the upside is just a retracement, and market is going to come back to the downside on ETH. This is what I am expecting right now. So on the immediate short term on ETH, from this very point where the market is right now to this very level of $2,400, from this very area to this very point is a point of retracement in the market to the upside a little bit, and then from this very area of resistance, market is going to come back to the downside. So looking for short opportunity on ETH will be the nice thing right now on this very chart. And I told you to pay attention to this very area we have spike from, a little spike from this very area, market move to the upside. That is exact same point where market is right now. So retracement is needed in the market for the next continuation to the downside, for the market to present us a short opportunity from this very area to the downside. This is what you must have to pay attention to right now on the chart. On trxusdt, that is thrown right here, you see the market will move all the way from this very point of support to this very level. We have a little consolidation, and market broke out and move all the way up to this very point. I was expecting the market to come back down to this very area so that we enter a position, which we did in the premium signal group. We enter a buy position on spot from this very level for the market to move upward. And I am still paying attention to this market to moving upward right now, but there is a little shift in the directional bias of this very pair. So For now, market is going to move upward, but not to the target as expected, because momentum is gradually shifting from the bullish to the bearish side of the market. So right now, expect this market to still move upward, but I'm going to monitor the way the market is moving to the upside, and that is very important, whether to which the market is going to still make to this very target of 0.11. Okay, and I am going to also give that very update in the group. So right now, look at the market moving upward on the trxusdt 4-hour chart. I am looking at the market buy to the upside, and this trade have been taken already on spot in the premium signal group. So this is what I am looking out for right now on the TRX chart. So a recap of today's video is that for TRX, market is going to move upward, and I'm going to monitor the way the market approach our target. And on ETH right here, look for short opportunity after this very retracement that is coming to the market right now. The same thing for BTC, market is going to retrace, look for short opportunity, and right now market is at this very level of important support. On the 1-day chart, market is going to stay here for a while, or we see a breakout. And right now on the other chart, market is going to retrace a little bit for continuation, look for short opportunity. And right now on the arbusdt, market is going to retrace as well, so look for short opportunity on this very chart, but wait for this retracement to come in, and then shorting the market will be the nice thing to do afterward. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now on these various charts. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. And I want to announce to you that we have a very intensive cryptocurrency series that will start in February. And another very important free training is coming up on the 28th of this very month of January 2024. Check the description of this video, see the link to the WhatsApp group, and then you join. It is a free training. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.